Hi everyone. In this quick demo, I'll show you a stock price prediction model I built using Excel as a front end, Python and TensorFlows. A deep learning model that's great at understanding pattern over time. Please note this is for educational purpose only. The goal is simple: help the model learn past movements so it can predict the upcoming trends. Here is this the model gets the data from the Yahoo Finance Python library. Python library is used. Enter the stock symbol followed by the suffix. Here you can see that TSLA is the stock symbol. Suffix is not required for USA exchanges. For other exchanges, suffixes are required. We'll see that in the later demo. These are all the Yahoo suffix to use for different countries. Say for example, India BSE, we use BO. For example, if you wanted to get the stock data for Reliance .bo, so that it gets the Bombay Stock Exchange data. So if we click on get data, it will get the Reliance stock prices for Bombay stock for the Bombay Stock Exchange. And for the USA, we don't need to enter the suffix. Say for example, if we use TSLA, so we don't need a suffix, we just use TSLA. So yeah, now I'll get the data for the TSLA. I click on get data. Import data completed. So data is imported. After the data, once the data is imported, you can say from use the for model to get trained, how many days of data you wanted it to use. Say for example, I will use 260 days of data. Use the 260 days from the recent to the past for training the model and predict for the next, say around 30 days. So that's it. That this is the information that we wanted to enter. Sorry, 30 we have to enter it here. So this is the number of yellow is for the user entries. So I have to enter it here. Now after that we can just I have to get the data. Once data is imported for TSLA, then we enter this how many days to consider for training the model, how many days you wanted to predict. After that we just click on predict. This is the first chart it has generated after clicking the predict. This shows how best the curve is been fit. You can see the predicted prices are in the red and actual prices are in the blue. Here is some prices it is showing today's price and the predicted after 30 days values. So it shows this graph. This green chart is the future predicted values. Yeah, that's all about this demo. So let's take one more stock. Say for example, let's take the BSE Reliance.bo. Let us take this as another example. Clear, get data. Okay, data import completed. So we got the data. Now let us keep the same values 260 and the 30 days prediction and click on predict. Here you can see how closely the curve is getting fitted, but we cannot consider the predictions as the actual numbers. This is only for demo or educational purposes. This information should not be used for any investment or trading. This is only for educational purpose. So it's all based on the mathematical models that just creates the predictions, should not be treated as the actual numbers. So I'm closing this chart. So it gives this prediction and this is the curve it gives. So that's about this tool. Thank you very much for watching.